Okay, so in this video we're just gonna go all the way straight down, and then also just kind of show you what's around right where I'm at as well. I haven't walked down this particular street, so this should be kind of interesting. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so just so that you can see where we're starting, if you are a person that goes to Google Maps, you can just take a look right here. So this is just this little, Becco is like mouth do Panasho. I don't know what Panasho is. There's a temple straight ahead, and then this is like a little dead-end alley right here, and you can see, you know, people have their stuff around, some bikes, and I don't think hardly anybody ever goes back here. And then it goes back up against this, there's like a Portuguese church up here, so this is like kind of goes up against the hill, so it's kind of cool because it's in its own little space. I don't think hardly anybody would ever come down here. That's kind of cool too. But anyways, we're down here today, and we're just going to go straight down on the street that there's so much cool stuff in this area that this is not really a spot where people will walk down on this one random street in Taipa. Huh. This has all this frozen meat, I guess. We're going to walk straight down in a minute. And this one, comida, written in Portuguese, but it's Chinese food. But you have some pretty cool looking stuff. Then you have that written in English. And then you have some of this food that's here too. So it's like a nice place. And this street right here goes all the way down to Taipa village. And here's a nutrition restaurant as well. So, but yeah, this street is, that street that way is usually the more famous one, and that goes into Taipa village. And this street right here, there's some temples on it. So there's the temples straight down there, there's a couple of them, and then there's one right near here as well. But what we're gonna do is walk straight down this way, and we're gonna walk by this Argentinian restaurant as well, called El Gacho. And just for some reference, this is where we're at right here. That's the name of the street. The names of the street changes, but that's basically where it is on that particular corner. So, okay. And we're gonna be following this one right here. Travessa lo Fu. So we're just gonna walk all the way down, and we'll just see what restaurants we see, property. So, okay. I don't know what that is. This one's a Japanese ramen restaurant. It's kind of cool. 85 mop. It's like somebody's home. Apartment complex up there. And then this one is kind of the backside of this. So it looks like it's like fenced in. Maybe somebody owns this property. And looks like it's kind of like more like ramshackle. Another empty spot. Okay, kind of Portuguese, beans and rice, macaroni, and looks like maybe some kind of Macanese one. Very local Macanese one. The Macanese is kind of a fusion, right? So it's like Chinese meets Portuguese. Yeah, look how cool that is. Okay, so now you can see this right over here can overlook Taipa village, this little space, and you can take a incline elevator up there. And then all this right here is all like these Taipa high-rise apartment buildings. Oh, is this opening or closing? So yeah, this is kind of an interesting little street. Not many people would naturally go here. That looks like stalks of corn. It's bamboo, I think. I don't know if you know what that is, let me know. So anyways, this is Travessa lo Fu. Stand by me. And then this right here is just one giant parking garage. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. So there's Galaxy over there. That construction over there is part of Galaxy. So we're part of like kind of an offshoot of Taipa, kind of an unusual place. And then you have all this green grass and such over here too. So yeah, it looks kind of beautiful. So yeah, Taipa, skyscrapers. Yeah, it looks nice. Anyways, so what we're gonna do is end this video. And this is gonna be our last shot of this particular street. Things change so much, so it's kind of interesting to record it because who knows what it could be like later. So especially this area because it's pretty popular, so it'll probably keep on changing. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha.